We need to aggressively make videos. And I'm talking about long form content, not short form. So not Instagram Reels, not YouTube Shorts, not TikToks, long form video. The reason why we need to aggressively make long form video is because the YouTube algorithm loves activity. Here are 5 reasons. Number 1 is familiarity bias. Familiarity bias is a tendency for people to prefer things that are familiar to them, even if better options exist. It's actually a cognitive bias that makes us gravitate towards things that we already know because it feels safer and more comfortable. Viewers are more likely to watch content that feels familiar to them, which is why things like episodes and sequels and recurring formats and similar thumbnails work as well. These all perform well, especially similar thumbnails. And when people start recognizing thumbnails as your videos, that's called branding. And it's less friction for people to click on your video. That's goals. And the algorithm reinforces familiarity bias by showing viewers more of what they've already seen. So if they've been watching a little bit of your content, YouTube is going to serve them up more of that. But that's not to say get stuck doing one kind of format, because it can be easy for creators to think that just because, for example, a talking head video or doing videos in the car or doing videos outside, just because they've performed well for you in the past, that you need to keep on doing the same thing on and on and on. Yes, repeat what's working, but at the same time, don't get stuck in a rut. Number 2, you stay in your audience's feed. Regularly uploading keeps your channel fresh and at the top of your subscriber feeds and recommended sections. If you disappear for weeks, YouTube might stop recommending your content to them. And just like any other platform that we are used to interacting with, be it TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, I don't know, get pushed right to the very, very top, because what does the platform want us to do? Exactly, stay on there like prisoners. But the view's better, isn't it? Number 3 is the more uploads you do, the more chances you've got to be seen. Goes without saying that if you post weekly, that is 52 chances a year that you will get to be seen. If you post 3 times a week, that's at least 150 times that your content has a chance to breathe and be seen by anyone, really. So while it seems like a really obvious one, the more you upload, the more chances that your video has of being seen, I don't think we can underrate the importance of that, because just because we make videos, just because we have subscribers, we can't get in the way of thinking that our video is going to be pushed to each of our subscribers all the time, because actually only a small proportion of our subscribers will get shown our video, depending on how much they interact with us. And so more uploads, the better. Number 4 is watch time adds up. We've all seen our average view durations. Let's say we make a video that's 10 minutes long, and these days we've been encouraged to make longer videos, the longer the better. And we'll see, for example, 3 comments on the video, and if we go and click the average view duration, I don't recommend that if you're a new creator, because we will just see 30 seconds, 45 seconds maybe. I think a lot of that is to do with when people are supporting each other in the same community. They want to, pop in on people's channels and give support, and certainly leaving comments and liking is a big one. They are huge. But also YouTube is noticing how much time people are spending on our videos, which is why I don't recommend begging your family to watch your videos, because they're too busy. They have got their own lives going on, and when they watch your video for 30 seconds or 15 seconds or I don't know how long, it really does hurt your video. It looks like people aren't interested in your video. So while I'm very grateful for people watching my videos and supporting me, it is huge. I do not take for granted that they are leaving a like and a comment. Anytime you can watch a fellow creator's full video is a really important thing. So that's the era that we're in 2025. I'm guessing now more than ever, people are watching less and less of other people's videos. But yeah, it's a tricky one, because I really appreciate people liking and commenting on my video, and I will take what I can get, because that's just the way of things. Grasshopper. Number 5 is higher engagement signals. The more videos you post and you've got a supportive community who watches your videos, really engaged audience, any likes, comments, shares that people do, YouTube take that as a sign that your channel is worth promoting to new viewers and promoting to your existing viewers. And with a bit of luck, and if you make good content, you will make binge-worthy content, which is why having a library of content is a very, very powerful thing. And I saw this described this morning by vidIQ as compound interest. So every single time you drop a video onto your channel, that is all there, building up for the future. At some point in time, you're going to get enough engagement and have enough videos that YouTube can rely on you as a creator. And when they're picking between your channel with a lot of videos and another new creator's channel with 2 videos, they don't know whether it's worth using that valuable time. Think Super Bowl. And we know how valuable the Super Bowl ads are. Anything you see during the Super Bowl. And YouTube is the same. They don't want to risk the viewer dropping off the platform. They're in real lives. So they want any content that they show, they really, really want it to be a good risk, a calculated risk, if you like. So uploading more videos gives you more videos on your channel, tells YouTube that you've got binge-worthy content. There's no doubt about it. Uploading more content gives your channel a catalogue, a big backlog of things for people to binge, and sends a very strong signal to YouTube that your channel is worth promoting. And the other thing I want to mention is it really makes me cry when I hear creators talking about making videos that they don't upload. That's a real shame, because I've got a saying, and actually it's Gary Vee's saying, I stole it from him, but that is, it's just another piece of content. It doesn't matter. It's not going to be perfect. Think about all the people making a lot of fluffy sort of content that the videos are the same, and they've got the same keywords over every title on every video. And YouTube loves those because they're all monetization, fast track, get 1,000 subscribers really, really fast within 30 days. If you go to all the trouble to make a video, post it. You are really doing yourself a disservice if you don't post any videos that you make. I mean, hey, if you really, really think it's garbage and your audio just did not work for the whole video and it is irretrievable, sure, okay? Yep, that's a learning. But generally, the types of videos that people are saying that they won't post after they've made them, I don't think have anything to do with the quality. I think it's more about us overthinking it and also thinking that people notice all kinds of things about us and are nitpicking all the little things. The truth is, they just aren't. People really, really don't care as much as we think they do. They don't care a quarter as much as we think they do. So don't be one of those people who are making videos and every 5th one or something like that. I don't know what kind of numbers people are talking about here, but I hear people saying, if you're watching this, it's because I decided to post it. And I get it. I think I might have even made a video like that myself, but I have actually posted everything. So, yeah. Just giving myself credit here. But there's the 5 reasons. Now, go and make your next video.